Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to withdraw money on Betway. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in betway.com. Once you type it in, you'll get to this website. Now on this website, you'll have to log into your account, and if you don't have an account, you can sign up one by clicking on this button. Now to log in, click on this login button. Then you'll have to enter your login credentials on this box. Enter your username and your password, then click on this login button, and in case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to recover it. Now once you click on the login button, you'll be logged into your account. Now all you have to do is click on your profile at the top right corner, then this menu will open up. Now on this menu, you'll have to click on this option where it says withdraw. Once you click on it, it will take you to another page where you'll have to select your bank account and enter the amount of money that you want to withdraw. Once you have filled up all the necessary informations, click on the withdraw button and the amount will be withdrawn into your account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.